Hi everyone, my name is David Coduto and I'm the President and CEO of Terra Insurance Company. Terra Insurance Company is one of the oldest, most reliable, and highest rated professional liability carriers offering professional liability insurance to design professionals in the insurance marketplace today. I'm here to speak with you about a concept that we developed a few years back called critical success factors. Critical success factors are those practices which are embedded within an engineering firm's corporate culture that are essential to that firm's success in controlling claims and claim-related costs. Now, every insurance company has the tendency to focus on failure analysis or the analysis of claims to provide information to its policyholder base. And we do that as well. We have a claim database that goes back to 1968. But what we were trying to get to with critical success factors was try to figure out what our policyholders were doing right. How were they avoiding numerous and severe claims? Now, Terra policyholders today have a phenomenal statistic where they only report one claim per every 25 million in revenue that they produce. We decided to put together a survey and then augment the survey with interviews. So we went around the country and we interviewed all of our policyholders that maintained a loss ratio of less than 10% for a period that exceeded greater than 10 years. Now, a loss ratio, for all of you that don't know what it means, it's merely the measure of losses to premium paid. So if you report a claim to your insurance carrier and that claim is valued at $10 and you've paid that insurer $100 in premium, your firm would have a 10% loss ratio. So we focused on these firms that had this exemplary loss ratio, and we condensed their hundreds of responses down into a number of critical success factors. Now today, I'm here to talk with you only about 3 of the critical success factors. The first critical success factor is a corporate culture that places importance upon developing a non-autocratic work environment. This is a workplace that attempts to eliminate fear and blame from everyday operations. It's a solution-oriented culture. It may take the form of frequent staff meetings where individuals on staff have access to upper management and they can discuss their concerns, their issues, or problems that they're encountering on a job without fear of being blamed for a problem. It's a solution-oriented culture. The second critical success factor is quick response to problem situations by individuals that are technically competent enough to understand the technical issue at hand, but are also empowered to make financial decisions on the spot to solve the problem. What this requires is a redirection of manpower. You focus on the problem and you worry about other aspects of that project management later on. The third critical success factor is a corporate culture that places importance upon establishing financial wherewithal. Now, our definition of financial wherewithal is developing a strong income statement where you produce income on a regular basis and you develop a strong balance sheet with adequate resources to help you in good times and in bad. If you have financial wherewithal, you can hire the best individuals out there and pay them a competitive salary. You can provide professional education reimbursements for their professional education pursuits while they're working with you. And lastly, relative to project selection, you don't have to take every project that comes in the door if you have financial wherewithal. You can pick and choose the best projects that fit your own firm's risk profile. Now, it's our opinion, if you can integrate these critical success factors within your corporate culture, you will reduce the number of claims you report to your insurance carrier. If you do report claims, they'll be less severe. And lastly, you will enhance your firm's profitability by 1, eliminating deductible payments or reducing them at least. 2, eliminating non-productive time associated with every claim that is made. And lastly, you'll reduce your insurance costs because you won't be reporting as many claims. I want to thank you very much for listening to our discussion of critical success factors.